morning, everybody. It's your boy King Fresh. We are out here in Houston, Texas. What time is it, Sumi?
7:20.
7:20, bright and early today. We're on our way to Cars and Coffee in Houston. I heard it's gonna be a good turnout. You can tell I'm in Texas. Look at the background. Alright guys, so we made it to the event. It's actually a bigger outcome than what we expected. Yes or no?
Yeah.
We have Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and every car here is stupid loud, huh? Stupid loud. Straight piped up the ass. I love it. We got 3 GTs right here. I don't even want to question what kind of modifications they have. 2019 Camaro right here coming up too. I like this one. Look at the amount of people that we have here. So all the way from Los Angeles over here to get some Texas vibes right here. I'm really digging the fact that every car is loud as fuck. I'm pretty sure the police officer, his car is loud as fuck too. Oh, look at this beautiful shit right here. We just pulled up to this right now. So we got the supercars out here. We got the Lambos, Audis, GTRs. Yeah, go live. Early in the morning, go live. Carbon fiber here. Alright, alright. 720S, what a beauty. What a beauty.
For sure, go buy it.
I already bought it?
Oh, yeah.
My down payment 30 cents?
Yeah.
Alright. This is the type of car that I come to Texas to see right here. We got the classic Ford GT right here with the American flag on it. Very nice, very beautiful. I'm digging that. This is my first time actually seeing one of these in person. It actually looks nice. We got the purple Lambo out here. Oh, we have Dominic Toretto over here. Let's go check him out. Slicks for the win. Tío! See you later, Tío. God, the hell I'm modified right here. We have an all carbon fiber Mustang right here. Just sitting here. Carbon Mustang right here. GT 350. A little light right here as well. Pretty badass.
So,
I never seen an all carbon Mustang. What the hell?
but it was.
God damn, look at this. 100% CF right here. God damn. Damn, the front looks fucking aggressive. I like this model because it looks like a little shark. We got a Camaro out here that's breaking everybody's necks, so let's go see what that is. You see why I love Texas? 100% American muscle up in this bitch. Look at all those damn switches right there. This is Fast and the Furious right here. We got the gauges, we got the switches. That one fucks your mom, the other one beats you, takes all your money and your property. The other one gets your girlfriend pregnant. God damn. You see what I mean? A little shot of nitrous. See, this is why I like Texas now. Hey, let's not it? That's the old one right here, just parked here. Naturally parked here. Everybody's ready to race. Everybody's ready to race out here in Texas. We have a wide body Hellcat over here.
Oh, yeah?
A wide body kitty, red eye. Okay. Ready to go back to the future?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go back to the future. What year?
82.
I'll go back to the year I was born.
Oh, no mames, way. That's too.
And reborn myself.
I was born. No mames.
Let's go check out what's inside. Oh, I like that. That for sure right there, it takes you back in time right there. You push it, You put your dick in it, and boom, takes you back in time. See, everybody has fire extinguishers here, even Back to the Future himself.
Beautiful. I gotta have that.
There's always dogs at car meets, even at the takeovers.
His eyes and around his face. I love it. That's awesome.
Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up? Hey, bro. I'm pretty sure the dog is twin turbo, straight pipe. The dog.
Yeah, twin turbo.
Oh yeah. That dog. You shot a nitrous on the dog as well.
Yo, swing that shit, baby.
I love how there's girls out here looking for their next husband at this meet right here. It's like at LA with the and OC with the takeovers. They go dressed to impress. Oh, we got a GTO right here. This is your wife and that's your son's.
Yeah, Mustang.
A Mustang. His wife drives a CTSV. Beautiful, beautiful. Only in Texas. He has his glow in the dark little light up Hellcat logo right here, which I like. That looks nice. Very nice Hellcat right here. I'm gonna leave the whole car scene stuff behind because me and my boy have actually something important to say. How are the girls here in Houston, Texas?
Yeah, bro, they're fire, bro.
They're so beautiful. They have asses like this. Look. There's their back and there's their ass, like that. Their faces are cute. They're like fun. Like mostly all the girls here are actually pretty. Even the old ladies have booty. Look. You see that?
Look, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not even.
Okay, guys. So I came across a subscriber all the way in Houston, Texas.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Yo, what's your Instagram?
Love America 1320.
There you go, bro. Alright, appreciate
Thanks,
it. Nice
bro.
meeting you, buddy. Take
Nice
it
meeting you too.
Yeah. All the way in Texas, guy. Appreciate it. Support is real. Hey, buddy. There's a lot of nice dogs out here too. Twin turbo, straight pipe, shot of nitrous. And we have Santa Claus himself, right? I don't know what he's doing here. This is a nice color, by the way. Haven't seen one like this. Something about a red car. My next car is gonna be red. If I don't buy red, I'm gonna wrap it red. Even though my favorite color is blue. Yeah, doggy. Hellcat. How's that shit? There we go. Okay. Hey, check out this Nissan. You don't see this shit in LA. Is it like a Tron type of shit or what?
Yeah.
The cops are coming. The cops are coming. You gotta shake the spot. Yeah.
Hey, come back. Okay, come over.
Oh, what? Hey, you gotta come back. I love it. No, he's a cowboy. He'll take care of it. He'll take care of it. Cowboy versus cop. Oh. Cowboy got two cops up there. Yeah, shake the spot ASAP. Maricas. Huh? Oh, the cop!
Hey, get in front of me. Do up there now!
Get out, boss! Get out! Oh! Oh, the cop got him! Take off! Leave! Oh, leave! Yeah!
Hey, hit it.
People loving it! Fuck you! Hey! Oh! The officer's gonna do something?
Take the hair!
It wasn't even him! Oh! Yeah, he got away! Oh, he shook the spot! So I'm starting to like the people here in Texas because they remind me of LA. I don't feel that homesick right now. Yeah, sure. Yeah, you got it. Thank you. Uh-oh, cops are on their period today. They ain't play.
Get arrested. I don't care. It'll only be one person, and it'll be one person at a time.
There you go.
They can't arrest all of us.
That's right, they're gonna take you.
We're a mob.
Car keys real quick, because once you're in handcuffs.
Yo, we'll sacrifice you for the team, for the movement, for the one side. Look, I'm about to get arrested. Oh,
Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna need you to put your hands behind your back real quick.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm from LA. Fuck this. Oh, damn, minivans out here revving it.
Yeah, Dad, do it.
Swing it, sucker mom! Oh, yeah! Keep it! Keep it! Go wide! Go! Swing it! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going! Yeah! Keep going! Keep going! I got some other camera just died, and I came to get my other camera. It's what we get out here right now. We actually changed location. That's why we're out here where the freeway entrance is at right now. Man, that BMW sounds sick. Anyway, we got a Lambo here though. Woo. We got a kitty. Hey, honk that shit! Honk it if you're horny, motherfucker! That's right, that's right. We got another subscriber from Houston, Texas. We're out here. We got a Lambo here in its natural habitat. There you go. Yo, where we at? Where we at, bro?
We Houston, Texas.
That's
man.
right. That's right. We
Coffee, you know.
We're out here from LA and Houston. We got subscribers out here in Houston. Appreciate it. Oh, what's up? What's good? What's up, Blair? What's up, Blair? Right. To my subscriber, he just put on a little show for us right here. Texas! Clásico! Wait, hold up! Hey, fuck it up! Oh! We're in the middle of the street right here, look. In the fucking middle of the street. Meaty ass tires right here. ¡Hey, burn that shit! ¡Quémale esa madre! Oh, yeah! That's right! Those are nice. We even got the cops escorting.
Days in the trap, making my money up.